From the moment you enter you'll appreciate the wonderfully bright and easy floor plan. Shows like a model home. Gorgeous wood floors throughout most of the first floor. First floor master bedroom suite plus another first floor bedroom. Floor plan features living room or study plus large dining room with tray ceiling. A great room filled with light opens to screen porch and kitchen. The kitchen has a gas 5-burner stove top and an abundance of counter and cabinet space. Surround sound equipped. There is also a central vacuum system. The second floor features 2 more bedrooms, a full bath, loft and 2 large walk-in attics that could be finished for more living space. On the lower level there is a large walk-out basement plus more storage. This house is just amazing. The lot is located on a cul-de-sac and there will be forever green views from your deck or screen porch. The side yard has a large fenced-in area.